Welcome to Highway Legends. Today we're turning our attention to a machine that defines speed, precision, and engineering excellence, the new 2026 BMW S 1000RR. Known for its razor-sharp performance and cutting-edge technology, the S 1000RR has long been a benchmark in the superbike world. The 2026 model takes everything BMW has perfected over the years and pushes it even further, blending race-ready aggression with everyday refinement. Let's take a closer look at what makes this new generation superbike so thrilling. Design and aesthetics. The 2026 BMW S 1000RR continues its signature asymmetrical charm but with a sleeker and more aerodynamic profile. The redesigned fairing improves wind flow and stability at high speeds, while new LED lighting elements give it a fierce, futuristic look. BMW has refined the body panels for reduced drag and better heat management, and the lightweight carbon fiber components add to its performance-oriented style. New color options, including a bold M Motorsport scheme, enhance its visual appeal, ensuring it looks as fast as it rides. Performance and powertrain. Under the fairing lies the legendary 999 cubic centimeters Inline-Four Engine, now tuned for even smoother and stronger mid-range performance. Producing around 210 horsepower, the 2026 model benefits from refined shift cam technology for variable valve timing and improved throttle response. The bike's chassis and suspension setup have been further optimized for better cornering precision and stability. A lightweight frame and swing arm design enhance agility, while the upgraded quickshifter and electronic suspension make every ride feel seamless and controlled, whether on track or open highway. Safety and technology. BMW has packed the S 1000RR with advanced electronics to complement its immense power. The new Dynamic Traction Control Pro, cornering ABS, launch control, and wheelie control systems ensure maximum confidence under any condition. The full-color TFT display has been updated for clearer visuals and deeper customization. Riders can toggle between multiple riding modes, from Rain to Race Pro, tailoring the bike's behavior precisely to their style. The new integrated GPS and Bluetooth connectivity add everyday convenience without losing the superbike focus. Conclusion. The 2026 BMW S 1000RR is more than just a motorcycle, it's a statement of speed and precision engineering. With refined design, upgraded aerodynamics, and state-of-the-art electronics, it continues to set the standard for performance bikes worldwide. Whether carving through corners or dominating the straights, the new S 1000RR proves that BMW's pursuit of perfection never slows down. Stay tuned to my channel for more reviews, updates, and first looks at the machine's redefining performance.